Ang galing, no?
Diba?
Toothbrush did not work.
Oh, it did not work! Okay, you gargle again, darling. Oh, you gargle again.
Susumbong ka pa.
I'm going to put vitamins, ha? Okay, open. It's okay, bite. Chew. Yeah, wait, we have to wait a few seconds. Very good. Chew slowly, and you can stop if you're tired. You rest, and then you can chew again. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll remove it, ha? Do not swallow. You have to spit out. Spit. Dura lang, ha? Marunong natin mag-spit.
Ah.
Very good! Yay!
Yay!
High five! Yun ba yung high five?
Thank you.
Okay, very good.
Ang galing naman.